Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from webstudio.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create a professional e-commerce website by using one of the most popular e-commerce multi-purpose WordPress theme named as Salient. As you can see, that is the theme name, Salient Creative Multi-Purpose and WooCommerce theme. As you can see, the sale number is really impressive. It's more than 1,30,000. Even here also in 2022 best-selling WordPress theme, here also you can see that Salient theme is coming in number 10 position. There are so many things behind this theme popularity. Now without wasting time, let me introduce you with the main important feature of this Salient theme. The first and most important feature of this Salient theme is this theme has built-in front-end live page builder, and for this front-end live page builder, making of the website is very easy by using this Salient theme. Suppose at the place of this the new summer look, I want brand new summer look. So what I have to do, I have to just click in this edit option. Now at the place of the, I have to write brand, and after that I have to just click in the save changes. No need to go to backend and edit that. As you can see here, once I change here, it's automatically update in the real website. So the person who does not have any kind of coding knowledge, they also can easily create this awesome website if he or she watch this video tutorial from starting to end. Because in this video tutorial, I am going to teach you about all the important features of this Salient theme. This page builder also coming with element navigator. As you can see in the top, there is an element navigator. By using this element navigator, you can easily display a tree style list of all elements on the page for a structured overview that make your website making experience very easy and smooth. This page builder also come with responsive preview. I can easily toggle in between the desktop preview or a tablet preview or a mobile preview. It's quite easy. So you can easily create a responsive website by using this tool. And another most important feature, if you facing problem to editing the website for this pop-up skin, then you can easily place this pop-up skin in a sidebar. Just you have to click in this. So as you can see here, all the options coming in a sidebar preview. This page builder also coming with advanced gradient overlay color option. So as you can see here, at present my first color is black and the second color is black is red color. Suppose I want to convert this as a red color, so you have to change it here, and after that just you have to click in the save option. So as you can see here, my gradient preview already changed here. So now let me switch back to the black color again, and after that let me click in the save changes, because the black color is really looking awesome in this background overlay color. Another most important feature of this Salient theme is this theme provide you more than 350 plus pre-built demo template, and it has demo for attribute, block, call to action, counter, general, icons, hero session. For almost each and every kind of layout, they have a default template, and you can integrate all this demo template in your website by just a single click. In this tutorial I will cover that also, so don't worry about that. This theme also provide you almost 70 plus pre-built demo website, and you can easily integrate this demo in your website by just a single click. Suppose I want to import this demo in my website. So for that, what I have to do, I have to just click in this import demo option, and after that here you can see the confirm demo import. After you click, within some minute entire demo website will be installed in your website, and after that you can easily edit them by using front-end page builder. But in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to create the website from scratch, so I am cancelling it. Also this theme provide you different kind of portfolio layout. Even for the single portfolio also it has different kind of layouts, as you can see here. Not only portfolio but also for the blog also this theme provide you various kind of option. As you can see here, this theme offer almost 9 different kind of blog layout. This Salient theme also known for the speed and performance. Whatever the website you will make by using this Salient theme, that will load in very high speed. Suppose that is a website. So let me copy the URL and let me come back to the GT matrix, and here I am pasting the URL, and after that I am clicking on the test option. Even at the same time let me open the page speed inside, and here I am pasting the URL, and after that let me click in the analyze option. So as you can see here in the GT matrix, its score A grade, and the performance rate is 97%, and the structure rate I am getting 84%. It's really awesome score. Even in the page speed insight also, as you can see here, it scored 91 out of 100. It's really awesome score. Even in the setting of the Salient theme, there is a dedicated performance tab. So as you can see here, there are so many performance option is already available pre-built in this theme. Even this theme also support adaptive image function. So all the images will be loaded in very high speed by using very less bandwidth. And also this theme fully support the WooCommerce plugin. So by using this theme, you can easily create awesome e-commerce website. This theme also come with product quick view option, and the quick view animation is really awesome as you can see here. This theme offer lot of customization option as you can see here, and by using all of this customization option you can really make your dream website very easily. Just my request, watch this video tutorial from starting to end. After ending the video tutorial, I can guarantee that you can easily create any kind of website by using this Salient theme. This theme also come with different kind of header layout. Not only that, but also this theme offer you dedicated mobile header layout as you can see here. This theme is really a feature packed theme. So without any worry, you can easily start to create your dream website by using this Salient theme. So now without wasting time, let me introduce you with the demo website what I'm going to create in this video tutorial. So in the top here you can see a transparent header that contain my logo. After that here you can see my main menu bar, and at the right hand side here you can see the big search icon. Once you click on that, this kind of professional search bar will open, and after that here you can see the my account option, and here you can see the cart option. When you hover on that, all the product already added in the cart will be displayed here like that. It's really an awesome feature. And after that here you can see a video background, and that is my main heading text with subheading, and here you can see the button also. After that here you can see some important product category like bag, beauty product, digital watch, handbag, etc. Suppose I am hovering on the bag, so here you can see 10 product belong to the bag. Suppose I am hovering on the beauty product, here you can see 0 product in the beauty product. Similarly, I am hovering on the digital product, so here you can see automatically the product count are displaying downside. Suppose I am clicking on the digital watch, so as you can see here all the product belong to the digital watch are displaying here like that. So now let me come back to the home page again. So after that here you can see some trending product, and it's a product carousel, and you really like the hover effect. It's really looking very awesome and cool. Again here also you can see some important product categories. After that here you can see some newly arrived product for the women's dress. After that here also you can see some beautiful background video with some heading and subheading with a button also, and here you can see the shape divider. It's really looking awesome, and it's really giving a professional look to the website. After that here you can see some icon boxes with a beautiful hover effect. Next here you can see a video pop-up option with a heading. Once you click on the video pop-up, as you can see one video will start to play. Let me close the video, and after that here you can see a testimonial slider, and after that here you can see a beautiful footer. My footer contain logo, some about text, my contact information, and here you can see so many links. At the downside here you can see the copyright line, and at the right hand side here you can see some social media icons, and here you can see the back to top icon. Next let me come back to the about us page. So here also you can see a beautiful about us page. Here you can see some images, headings, and here again you can see a video pop-up option. If I click on that, one video will start to play. Next here also you can see some heading, and after that here you can see some image gallery. It's really looking awesome. The layout is really looking awesome. That is a custom made layout. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to create this kind of layout. Even here also you can see some timelines. Now let me come back to the shop page. But you can see when I hover on the shop, a beautiful mega menu is displaying here. I'll teach you how to create the mega menu. Now let me click in the shop option. So as you can see here, that is my shop page, and it's really looking awesome. So here you can see the title, breadcrumb. After that here you can see some sorting option, and here you can see how many products are displaying in a page. At the left hand side here you can see the product filters that contain product category, filter by price, filter by size, filter by color, filter by capacity, etc. And at the right hand side here you can see all the products. I'll open the product later. Before that let me come back to the blog page. So that is my blog page. It's really looking awesome. Let me open a blog. So my single blog page will look like that. So as you can see here, there is a transparent header. It's really giving a professional look to the website. If you scroll down here you can see that is the next blog, and after that downside here you can see some related post, and here you can see a comment section. Now let me come back to the contact us page. So in the contact us page here you can see a beautiful header with the office address, and here also you can see some another office addresses, and this button are nothing but the call to action button actually. And here you can see some FAQ session, that is actually accordion. If I click on that, as you can see here, corresponding content will be get opened like that. And at the right hand side here you can see a beautiful contact us form. Now let me come back to the shop page again. Let me click on that. So that is my single product page. So at the top here you can see the breadcrumb, and after that, that is the product image, product title, product rate, product short description, product number of the stock, and from here you can increase or decrease the quantity. After that here you can see the add to cart option, SKU, category, and tags. And after that here you can see the product gallery image, and next here you can see the product description tab, that is the additional information tab, and that is the review tab. Scroll down more. So here you can see all the related products. Now if you want to buy the product, first of all what I have to do, I have to log in first of all. So for that you have to click in this my account option. If you click in the my account option, so here you can see login and register option are showing. Let me click on the register because I am first time logging in this website. So let me enter my email ID, and after that let me enter my password. So once you enter email ID and password, I have to click in the register option. Here you can see that is my account page. So from here you can easily access dashboard, orders, downloads, address, account details, etc. I does not create any order, so as you can see here there is no order is displaying. Now again let me come back to the shop page. Let me click in this add to cart option for adding the product in the cart. So as you can see here, this product already added in the cart. Now let me click in the view cart option. So as you can see here, that is my cart page. So from here you can easily increase or decrease the number, and if you have any coupon code, always you can enter here. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to create the coupon code using WooCommerce, and after that you have to click in this process to checkout option. So that is my checkout page. So from here what I have to do, you have to enter your first name. Next I have to enter my last name, company name. Obviously that is optional. Next country, I am from India. So let me choose the India. And after that I have to enter my state address, and after that I have to enter my city name, that is Hyderabad. Next state, that is Telangana. After that I have to enter my pin code. Next I have to enter my phone number. Email ID I already entered. If you have any additional note, always you can write it here. And after that I have to click in the place order. I only add the cash on delivery payment method, so no other option is showing here. If you add more payment gateway, then more option will shown there. In this video tutorial I'll teach you how to integrate the Stripe payment gateway. So that is my order page. So here you can see thank you for the order number, date, email ID, so and so is displaying. Even here also you can see the billing address, shipping address, etc. Even if you now click in the my account icon, from there if you come back to the order, so as you can see here, once order already in the process. So now let me teach you how as a admin you can process the order. So suppose that is my admin window. So from there what I have to do, after you log in as a admin, this dashboard will open. From there you have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that you have to click in the order option. As you can see here, I already received a order, so one is displaying here. So as you can see here, before 1 minute I already get a order that cost is 800. Let me make it full screen. So now for seeing the detail of the order, I have to click on the order. So from there, here you can see all the order details like billing address, shipping address, etc. So from there what I have to do, suppose you already complete the order as a admin, so from this drop down I have to choose complete, and from here you have to click in the update option. So once as a admin you already update the order. Now again let me come back to the customer preview. So that is my customer my account page. So as you can see here, the order status showing as processing. Now let me refresh the page once. So now you can see it's showing completed, because as a admin you already completed the order. So hope you understand how a customer can create a order and how as a admin you can process the order. Till now, if you enjoying this video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. So now without wasting time, let me start to create the website. And for creating this website, actually I am not going to use any real domain and hosting account. I am going to use xampp. Xampp is a local server. For that, just open a new tab and search for the xampp. Next what I have to do, you have to click in this link, download xampp. Click on that. So from there this page will open. So now if you are a Windows user, then you have to download this one. If you are a Linux user, then you have to download this one, and if you are a Mac user, then you have to download this one. So I am a Windows user, so let me click in the download option. So as you can see here, my download already started. Let me cancel it because I already download and install the xampp. So once you already download and install the xampp, after that you have to search for the xampp control panel. You have to open that. Next my control panel will open and it will look like that. From there you have to click in the start option for the Apache and the start option for the MySQL. Next what I have to do, you have to open another new tab, because I am going to create the database. So first of all I have to come back to the phpMyAdmin. For that I have to type localhost. Next I have to click in this phpMyAdmin. After that this page will open. From there you have to click in the new option for creating a new database. Now let me enter the database name. I am giving the database name as Salient 2. And after that let me click in the create option. You can give any database name, but I am giving the Salient 2. Next you have to come back to this link. I already give this link in the video description. So from there you can directly come back to this page, and from there you actually have to buy the theme. Now if you don't want to buy the theme, then just pause the video and go to the video description. There I will give a download link for the GPL version of the Salient theme. You can use that in free of cost. So after you download that, you have to open another new tab, and next here you have to type wordpress.org, because I have to download the WordPress. From there this page will open. After that you have to click in the get WordPress option. Next little bit scroll down. So here you can see the download WordPress option is there. Click on that. So as you can see here, my WordPress download already started. Now I have to click in the open file. So as you can see here, that is the WordPress file. Next what I have to do, you have to open your file explorer. I install xampp drive, so I am opening the app drive. If you install the xampp in C drive, then you have to open C drive. Next you have to open the xampp, and from there you have to open htdocs. After that what I have to do, here actually I have to drag and drop this WordPress folder. It will take some time, please wait for that. After it's copied, close this one, and now I have to rename this one. Suppose I am giving the name as Salient 2. Next I have to open that. Here you can see WP content is there, just open that. After that you have to open the folder which link I already given in the video description. So as you can see here, that is my theme file. So from here you have to open the theme, and after that copy this theme file here and you have to paste it here. Wait for everything get copied. After that just close them. Next open another new tab, and after that I have to type localhost / that folder name, means Salient 2. So as you can see here, WordPress setup page will open. From there you have to choose your preferred language, and after that you have to click in the continue option. Next you have to click in the let's go, and after that here actually I have to enter the database name. Hope you remember I give the database name as Salient 2. Next username I have to enter root. Password as does not required. Next I have to click in the submit option. Click in the run the installation. Next here in the site title you have to enter your site title. I am giving the site title as Salient theme. You can give any name. After that username I am giving admin, and password also I am giving as admin. It's a dummy website, so I am giving username and password both admin and admin, but for your original project you have to give a strong username and password. After that you have to click in this confirm password, and here you have to enter your email ID, and that will be your admin email ID, so please be careful when you entering your email ID. Next I have to click in the install WordPress option. This page will open. From there you have to click in the login, and after again you have to enter user ID and password, and after that you have to click in the login option. So that is my WordPress dashboard. So from there hover on the appearance, and after that you have to click in the themes option. So from there here you can see the Salient theme. Just you have to click in the activate option. It's already GPL license, so this theme already activated as you can see here. Next what I have to do, just scroll down, and after that you have to click in the begin installing plugin. Click on that. From here you have to select all the plugin, and after that you have to click in the install. Next you have to click in the apply option. So as you can see, one by one all the plugin will be installed. So once all the plugin get installed, you have to click in this return to required plugin installer. From there again you have to select everything, and after that from this drop down you have to select activate option, and after that again I have to click in the apply option. So as you can see here, all the plugin already activated. Just refresh the page once. Next just come back to the plugin tab. So from there delete these two plugin because it's not required. Even this one also delete that. After that click in the add new option because I have to add some additional plugin because I am going to create a e-commerce website. So must you have to install and activate WooCommerce plugin. Let me search for the WooCommerce. So as you can see here, that is the WooCommerce plugin. Click in the install now. Now here you can see this WooCommerce setup will open. I'll set up the later. So for that I'm skipping the step. Click in the no thanks. Now I have to install another plugin also. Again hover on the plugin and click in the add new option. Now here I have to search for the WP form. So here you can see the contact form by WP form. Click in the install option. Once installation finish, after that you have to click in the activate option again. So now actually I have to set up the WooCommerce. So for that what I have to do, I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that here you can see the settings option. Click on that. So here I have to enter the store address. After that here I have to enter my city name. Next country/state. So I am from Telangana, India. Let me search for the Telangana. So here you can see the India-Telangana. Select that. After that postal zip. So here you have to enter your postal ID or postal code. So in the general option, here you can see the selling location. You want to sell your product only in a single country or multiple country. Suppose I want to sell my product only in a single country. So I have to choose this option, sell to a specific countries. And from here I am choosing India. If you want to add more country, then always you can search and add them. After that shipping location. You want to ship your product all over the world or in a specific country. Suppose I want to ship my product only in a specific country. So I am choosing ship to a specific country only, and here also I have to search for the India. Click on that. Next, scroll down. Here you can see the enable taxes. I'll highly recommended enable that. If you want to enable the coupon system, you can enable that. Scroll down. What will be your currency? I want my currency should be INR, means Indian rupees. So here you can see the Indian rupees. Select that, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next, directly come back to the product tab. So in the product tab, make sure shop page should be selected as a shop, and after that here you can see the measurement. I want the weight measurement should be in gram. Remaining I am keeping as it is. After that again I have to click in the save changes. After that I have to come back to the tax option. So in the tax tab, just scroll down. Here first of all you have to enter a tax class. In India, tax is known as GST. So here I have to write GST. And after that you have to click in the save changes again. Now in the top here you can see one extra tab get added. GST rates. Click on that. And after that here actually you have to click in this insert row option. Country code for India, that will be capital IN. Tax percentage, suppose the tax percentage 15%. And after that you have to check both of the check boxes. Next you have to click in the save changes. Next I have to come back to the shipping option. So in the shipping option actually first of all you have to create a shipping zone. You can click in this add shipping zone here, else you can click in this also. So now you have to enter the shipping zone name. I am giving the shipping zone name as India. After that I have to click in this add shipping method. Click in the add shipping method again. After that I have to click on the flat rates, and for each product suppose I want the shipping charges will be 50 rupees. But there is a problem. If you keep them as it is, then if a customer buy a single product, for that also the shipping charges will be 50 rupees. If he buy 100 product, for 100 product also the shipping charges will be 50 rupees. But I want for each and every product the shipping charges will be 50 rupees. So for that what I have to do, just hover on this question mark. Here is a formula as you can see here. So here actually I have to enter shipping charges, I mean 50 rupees, and after the star, and in bracket you have to write QTY in small. Okay, hope you understand. Now for each and every product the shipping charges will be 50 rupees. Now I have to click in the save changes. Now there is another problem. Suppose you are shipping a heavy product like refrigerator, and as well as you are shipping a small product like shoes, clothes, like that. So obviously for the heavy product, I mean for the refrigerator or the big furniture, the shipping charges will be very more compared to shoes or clothes. So for that actually I have to create a separate shipping class for the heavy products. See here you can see the shipping class. Just click on that. Now I have to click in this add shipping class. I am giving the class name as heavy. Next I have to click in the save shipping class. Now I have to again come back to the shipping zone. So in the shipping zone what I have to do, I have to click in the India again. Next I have to click in this flat rate, and here just remove the rate from here. Now for the product which is belong to the heavy shipping class, for that for each and every product suppose I want the shipping charges should be 350 rupees. So here I have to write 350 after the star, and in the bracket I have to write QTY. Next I have to close that, and the product which is not belong to the heavy shipping class, I mean for the normal product, 50 rupees per product. Next I have to click in the save changes. Hope you understand the concept. So now I have to come to the payments option. So in the payment, as you can see here, only few option is available. So from there let me enable the cash on delivery, because I want the cash on delivery should be enabled in my website. If you don't want, please don't enable that. Now let me teach you how to add a payment gateway, and for this tutorial actually I am going to add Stripe payment gateway. So for that again I have to hover on the plugin, and after that hover on the add new, right click and click in the open in a new tab. Here actually you have to search for the Stripe. Here you can see multiple plugin for the Stripe payment gateway, but I highly recommended this Stripe by WebTrophy. Click in the install option. Now once installation finish, I have to click in the activate option. Next again come back here, I mean WooCommerce setting page. I have to refresh this page once. So as you can see here, lot of option is already come here. So from there you have to enable this credit card / debit card - Stripe. Next I have to click in the manage option, and here make sure that should be enabled. And in the title I want credit card / debit card, even in the description, even in the pay button also I want it should be credit card / debit card. And after that you have to enable this one, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this WebTrophy Stripe option. Click on that. At the same time open a new tab and you have to search for the Stripe. So you have to come back to the stripe.com. So from there I have to click in the sign in option, because I already have an account, so I am clicking on the sign in. Next you have to enter your user ID and password, and after that you have to click in the continue option. So they will send a OTP for the verification. Let me enter the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, it will automatically verifying that. After that you have to enable this one, I am not a robot, and from there let me choose the traffic lights, click in the verify. Okay, I am successfully verified. Now it's signing in. It will take some time, so please wait for that. Next, as you can see here, that is my Stripe dashboard. From there you have to click in the developers option. After that I have to click in the API key. So here you can see publishable key and secret key. Copy publishable key. Next, come back here. First of all you have to make it live mode. Here you have to paste the publishable key. Next I have to copy the secret key also. Click on that. Come back here, and here I have to mention the secret key. Scroll down, click in the save changes. So in this way you can add Stripe payment gateway. So once you add all the payment gateway, again I have to hover on the WooCommerce and click in the settings option. Next I have to come back to the account and privacy. So from here actually I have to enable this one, uncheck this one, scroll down a little bit, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Now remaining option I am keeping as it is. Just directly come back to the advanced option. So make sure all the pages are selected perfectly. So here you can see the terms and condition page is not selected. So for that what I have to do, again I have to come back to the pages and click in the add new option. So from there actually I have to add the terms and condition pages. So I am entering the page title as terms and condition. Next I have to click in the publish option. So here actually I doesn't enter anything because it's a dummy website, but here actually you have to write your terms and condition. So next let me click in this W option again. Again I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the settings option. So from there I have to again come back to this advanced option. Now click in this, and here I have to search for the terms. Just enter 2 to 3 words, it will automatically search the page. As you can see here, terms and condition is coming here. Click on that. Scroll down a little bit. After that I have to click in the save changes. And another thing I want to tell, just come back to the email. So from here actually you can manage all the emails. As you can see here, for the new order, what will be the email? Click in the manage option. So here actually you can write your custom email content, but I am keeping them as it is. So next what I have to do, I have to set up the product categories and attributes. Before that, let me add all the images, because in the product category also I have to add the image. So for that I have to click in the media. Now you have to open the folder, which link I already given in the video description. I am talking about this folder. Now you have to open the images. Next what I have to do, by pressing Ctrl A key, at a time you have to select all the images. Now just drag and drop them here like that. It will take some time to upload all the images one by one, so please wait for that. So as you can see here, all the images already uploaded. Now I have to create the product categories. For creating the product categories, I have to hover on the products, and after that I have to click in the categories option. So by default one category will be there, that is uncategorized. If you want you can keep them as it is, else you can edit that also, but I am keeping as it is. For adding the new category, here actually I have to enter the category name. Suppose I am entering the category name as bag. After that you have to scroll down. Here you can see the thumbnail. Click in the upload/add image. Now I have to click in the media library. Now for the bag category, suppose I am taking this image. After that I have to click in this use image option. Next I have to click in the add new category. So in this way you can add a main category. Now suppose I want to add some subcategory for the bag. So for that, here actually you have to write the category name. Suppose I am writing handbag. Now here you can see the parent category. So my parent category will be bag for that. And after that, let me upload the image. Click in this, and for the handbag, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the use image. Again I have to click in the add new category. Let me add another subcategory for the bag, like laptop bag, and the parent category, that will be bag. Next click in the upload image, and for the laptop bag, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the use image. After that I have to click in the add new category. So hope you understand how to add the main category and how to add the subcategory. Make sure when you creating the main category, in the parent category that will be none, and when you create the subcategory, here actually you have to select the parent category. So in this way I have to add all the categories and subcategories. Once you add all the categories and subcategories, after that actually I have to add attribute. For adding the attribute, actually I have to click in this attributes option. Now for adding the attribute, here actually I have to enter the attribute name. Suppose I am giving the attribute name as size. After that what I have to do? From here you have to choose which type of attribute is this. I am choosing custom ordering, and after that I have to click in the add attribute option. So as you can see here, the size attribute already added here. Now I have to add the value for the size attribute. So for that I have to click in the attribute name like size. So once you click on that, so here you can see add new size. Let me add some size like large, After that you have to click in the enter key, else you have to click in the add new size. Similarly, let me add more sizes like short, XL, medium, like that. So hope you understand how to add attributes. Like I am going to add another attribute. So for that again I have to click in this attribute option. Suppose I am adding capacity attribute. So for that here I have to write capacity, and after that I have to click in the add attribute option. After adding the value for the capacity, I have to click on the capacity. After that let me add the value like 5 liter, 15 liter, 30 liter. Hope you understand the process. Now I have to create the products. There are two types of product. One is simple product, another is variable product. So first of all I am going to add a simple product. So for that I have to click in the products, and here you can see create product option is available here. Else another option is there. Here you can see the add new option. Click on that. Now for adding the product, first of all here actually I have to enter the product name. After that here actually I have to enter the product description. Next I have to choose the category. Suppose this belongs to the bag category and the subcategory is handbag. After that if you want to add some tag, always you can do that. Suppose I am adding the tag as handbag. Next I have to upload the product image. Click in this. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set product image. So once you add the product image, I have to add the product gallery image also. So for that I have to click in this option. Next from the media library, suppose I am taking this image and this image. By pressing Ctrl key at a time you can select multiple images. After that I have to click in the add to gallery option. Next what I have to do, here make sure in this drop down simple product should be selected, because I am going to create a simple product only at this time. And after the regular price, suppose the regular price is 500 and the sale rate is suppose 450. If you want to schedule the sale, always you can do that. Suppose I want this sale will be valid from 24th July to 30th July. Next, the product is taxable or not? Yes, it is taxable, and the tax class that will be GST, what I already created. Next, I have to come back to the inventory option. Here actually I have to enter the product SKU. SKU stand for the stock keeping unit, and make sure every product should have a unique SKU. Next, manage stock. If you want to manage the stock, then you have to enable that. Suppose I have total 80 product in my stock. So here actually I have to write 80. Next, lower stock threshold. By default it will be 2. Keep it 2 only. Next, come back to the shipping option. So here actually I have to enter the product weight. Suppose the product weight is 350 gram, and here actually I have to enter the product dimension. Let me enter some dummy dimension like length is 100 centimeter, width is 80 centimeter, and height is 50 centimeter. Next, shipping class. Is it belong to the heavy shipping class or not? No, it's not belong to the heavy shipping class, because it's just a bag. It's a lightweight product. Okay, so make it no shipping class. After that, link product. It's not required that much. I'll discuss that about later. Now come back to the attribute option. Actually for the simple product, attribute is not that much mandatory. Then also if you want to add, you can add. Suppose the bag capacity, click in this capacity and click in the add option, and the bag capacity is 30 liter, like that. After that you can save the attribute also. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now scroll down. So here you can see the product short description. So here actually I have to mention the product short description. So once all done, just scroll up and you have to click in the publish option. So in this way you can create a simple product. Now I will teach you how to create a variable product. For adding a new product, either you have to click in this add new here, else you have to click in this add new option here. You can click any of them. So now I am going to create a variable product. Process is quite similar. Here actually you have to enter the product name. After that here I have to enter the product description. Next I have to select the category, that is bag, and that's belong to the laptop bag. And if you want to add some tag, always you can do that. Suppose I am adding the tag as laptop, and after that from this drop down I have to select variable product. Now what I have to do, here you can see the tax class, I have to make it GST. Inventory, so here actually I have to enter the SKU. After that manage stock, if you want to manage the stock, always you can do that. Like for each and every variety you have 60 product in stock, so here I have to write 60. Next, shipping, because it's a variable product, so no need to mention anything here, because for each and every product the dimension can be changed. Okay, so now I have to come back to the attribute option. So from there, suppose I'm choosing size attribute, and in the size attribute, suppose I'm clicking the add option, and the size I'm taking large and medium. Okay, and make sure both of the checkboxes should be selected. After that, let me click in the save attribute. Actually, for that, let me add more attribute. So again, let me come back to the attribute option. Okay, I have to publish the product first of all. Let me click it cancel and click in the publish option. I forgot to add a important attribute, that is color attribute. So now let me again come back to the attribute option. So now here I have to enter the attribute name as color, and after that I have to click in the add attribute option. Next, what I have to do, I have to add the color value. Click on the color. Now let me add some value like pink, blue, and after that again I have to click in the add new color. So now again let me come back to the product page. I have to click in the all product option, and from there let me click in this laptop bag. After that, scroll down and let me come back to the attribute option. So I already add the size attribute. Now let me add the color attribute. Click in the add option. Next, what I have to do, from here I have to choose the value blue and pink. I have to check both of the checkboxes. Click in the save attribute option. Now the most important thing, I have to come back to the variation, and in the variation, in this drop down I have to select create variation from all attribute. Click on that, and after that I have to click in the go. Click on the OK. So as you can see here, another pop-up will appear for variation added. Again I have to click in the OK. So as you can see here, total 4 variation added, like large size blue color, large size pink color, medium size blue color, and medium size pink color. First of all, let me click in the large size and blue color. Click in this, and for that actually I have to add the image. So large size blue color, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set variation image, and after the rate, suppose rate is 550 and the sale price is 450. Next, here actually you have to enter the product weight like 350, and here you have to enter the product dimension. Let me enter some dummy dimension, and after that shipping information, it is belong to the heavy shipping class or not. No, it's a normal product, and remaining I am keeping as it is. Similarly, for the large size pink color also, click in this. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set variation image, and after that here actually you have to enter the product rate. Suppose 500, no sale is going on, and after that you have to enter the product dimension, weight, everything. Now let me come back to the medium size and blue color. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set variation image. Rate is suppose 530, and remaining I am keeping as it is because it's a dummy project. And for the medium size and pink color, click in this. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set variation image, and the rate is 580 and the sale rate is 530. After that I have to click in the save changes. Next, what I have to do, I have to enter the product short description. Now I have to upload the product feature image, but there is a trick. So whatever the default value you choose here, like I add the default value large size and blue color, and for the large size and blue color I set this image as a product image. Whatever the product image you set here, similar product image you have to set in the product image also. Click in this, and I am taking this image because I set this image as a product image for the default value. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section. Now I have to click in the product gallery. So for the product gallery image, let me take this image and this image, whatever. After that I have to click in the add to gallery. Next, you have to just scroll up, and after that you have to click in the update option. So hope you understand how to create a variable product. So in the similar manner, let me add some more product categories, and let me add some more products. So once I add all the product categories and the products, I'll come back. So as you can see here, I already created so many products in different categories. So now I have to set up the theme options. For set up the theme option, I have to hover on the Salient, and let me click in the general setting. So in the styling option, everything I am keeping as it is. No need to change anything that much. Directly come back to the functionality. Here also I am keeping everything as it is. Everything looking fine. No need to change anything. After that, CSS script. Here also everything okay. Even in the performance tab also no need to change anything. Directly come back to the color option. From there, this color, let me change it to pink color. I mean this color. and the secondary color let me change to blue color. Remaining here I am keeping everything as it is. Come back to the box layout. Here also no need to change anything. Directly come back to the typography option. First of all let me click in the navigation and page header. From there first of all let me change the navigation font. The font family I am taking Poppins. That is my favorite font. And after that font weight let me take 500, and font subset let me choose Latin. Text transform make it capitalize. Font size, all this thing I am keeping default only. Now navigation drop down font. So here also let me choose the Poppins. After that font weight I am taking 400. Subset I am choosing Latin. Text transform I am keeping default only. Size suppose let me take around 16, and remaining I am keeping as it is. Next directly come back to the general HTML elements. So from here first of all let me change the body font, and from here I am choosing Roboto, I mean this one. Next here I am choosing normal 400. Subset I am choosing Latin extended. Text transform I am keeping default, and default font size I am taking 16, and line height let me take around 30. After that for the heading 1 font family I am choosing Poppins. After that font weight I am choosing 600. After that font subset here I am choosing Latin. Text transform I am choosing capitalize. After that font size I am choosing 60. Line height I am taking 68. Letter spacing I am keeping 0. Next heading 2. So heading 2 also font size I am choosing Poppins. After that font weight here also I am choosing 600. Here I am choosing Latin. Text transform I am choosing capitalize. Font size let me take around 40 for the H2. Next line height I am taking 48. Now let me come back to the H3. So for the H3 font size I am choosing Poppins. After that font weight I am taking 600. Similarly here I am choosing Latin. Text transform that will be none. Font size for the H3 I am taking 26. Line height I am taking 34. Letter spacing I am taking 0. So for the heading 4 font family Poppin, here I am choosing font weight as 500. Next here I am choosing Latin. Text transform that will be none. After that font size I am taking around 18 pixel, and line height I am taking around 26. Letter spacing that will be 0. Now for the heading 5 also font family will be Poppins. After that font weight I am choosing 500, that will be Latin. After the text transform that will be none. Font size that will be 14. Line height I am taking 22. Letter spacing let me take it 0. Now for the A6, similarly here also I have to choose Poppin, that I am taking 400. After that font subset I am choosing Latin. Text transform that will be none. Font size I am taking 12. Line height I am taking 18. Letter spacing I am taking 0. Now for the italic font family I am choosing this one. Weight I am taking 400. That's I am choosing Latin. Text transform nothing. Font size I am choosing 14. Line height I am taking 18. After that directly come back to the font and catalog label. So here font family I am choosing Roboto. Next font weight I am choosing around 700. After that remaining I am keeping as it is. Click in the save changes. Now scroll up. Now click in the nectar specific element. So here for the nectar button, first of all click in this. Font family I am taking Poppin. Font weight I am taking 600. That will be Latin. Text transform that will be capitalize. Font size I am taking around 14. Now let me come back to this one, home slider. So here the font family I am taking Poppin. After that font weight I am taking 600. Here I am choosing Latin, and after that text transform that will be none. Font size let me take around 62. After that line height let me take 70. After that letter spacing let me take 1. Next here you can see the testimonial slider. So for the testimonial slider font family I am choosing Poppin. After that, font weight, let me take 400. After that, directly come back to the font size, let me make it 16. After that, line height, let me take around 25. Even 30 is also okay, it's up to you. Now portfolio not required because in my tutorial there will be no portfolio. Now directly come back to the drop cap. So here also I am choosing Poppins, and here I am choosing 700, that will be Latin. Text transform, that will be uppercase. Font size I am taking 66. Line height I am taking 56. WooCommerce product title font, so that will be Poppin. Font weight I am taking 600. After that, this also will be Latin. Font size I am taking around 17. Line height I am taking 22. Letter spacing, keep it default only. After that, for the secondary font, family will be Poppin, and directly come back to the size, let me take 16. Line height also 16. Letter spacing 0. Click in the save option. Next, in the responsive setting, nothing to do. Directly come back to the header navigation. So in the header navigation, first of all I have to enable this one. Let me upload the logo. For that I have to click in the upload logo option. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the select. Similarly for the retainer logo also click in this, and from the media library let me select the same image, click in the select. After the logo height, let me take around 50. Depending on your logo, actually you have to adjust that. For my logo I think 50 is the perfect. Now scroll down. Here you can see the item spacing, let me make it around 30. Click in the save option. After that come back to the layout and content. So from here actually you can choose anything, but for my tutorial I am choosing this one. Make it on. After that, add account bottom, yes I want that. And here actually you have to enter your my account page link. If you want to ask me where I can find the my account page link, so for that actually you have to come back to the post option, hover on the all pages, right click and click in the open it in a new tab. So from there you have to open your my account page, and in this my account page, here you can see the permalink option. Just right click here and click in the copy link. After that, just come back here, and here actually you have to mention that URL. Hope you understand. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Click in the save option. Now let me click in the secondary header bar. Nothing to do here. Directly come back to the transparent header effect. Make it on. And for the transparent header, actually I have to upload the logo. Click in this. Actually I have to add a light color logo, means white color logo. As you can see here, that is my light logo. Click in the select option. Similarly here also click in this, and from the media library again I have to select the same image, I mean this one. Click in the select option. Now for the dark logo, as you can see here, it asking for the dark logo. Click in this, and from the media library I have to take this image. Click in the select option. And I forgot one thing, if you want for the mobile devices any other logo should be applied, then that other logo you have to upload here, but I am keeping it default only. And for my site actually mobile logo and desktop logo will be the same, so I am not going to upload anything here. And after that, for the retina logo also click in this, and from the media library let me take this image. Click in the select, scroll down little bit, everything looking quite perfect. Just enable this one. Click in the save option. Next I have to click in the animation effect. Here also no need to change anything. Come back to the drop down mega menu. Here the opacity, I want little bit less opacity. As you can see here in my demo website, in this mega menu actually there is some transparency in the background. So the transparency level actually you have to mention here. Suppose I am taking 93. Click in this. From here I am choosing animated underline, because as you can see here, when I hover on the item there is a animated underline is added. I think it's really looking professional. So from here I am choosing this one. Click in this show arrow, because I want an arrow here. Side of the shop option there is a arrow. For that arrow actually I have to enable this option. Next make it 6. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now directly come back to the header search. Disable Ajax search form, no need to disable that. Here remaining I am keeping as it is. Click in the save option. After that come back to the off canvas menu, disable that because I don't want any off canvas menu here. Now come back to the mobile header. So this Salient theme offer two default mobile header layout. I am choosing the first one, and here you can mention the custom breakpoint also, but here I am keeping as it is. Now come back to the color schema. From here I have to make it custom. Here you can see the header background. I am choosing the white color. Header font color, let me take the black color. This one also almost little bit light black color. I think that's perfect. Header menu item color, I am keeping the default. Secondary header color, let me take this blue color. I think this one perfect. Next, this one let me make it white color. This one also let me make it white color. Scroll down, drop down mega menu background. I want it should be white color. Even this one also it should be white color. Sorry, it will be white color. Drop down font, let me choose the black color. On hover, let me choose this pink color. This one let me keep blue as it is. Scroll down, mega menu heading font, let me make it black color. Even this one also let me make it black color. Off canvas navigation close bottom, I think everything looking quite perfect. No need to change anything because I don't want the off canvas menu, so no need to edit that because I already disabled that. Click in the save option. Now directly come back to the footer option. So which footer layout you want? I want this should be my footer layout. I mean the last one. From there footers color schema, enable that. Here I want deep black color. After that here I want white color. Even here also I want white color. Footer copyright background, I think that's perfect. Footer copyright font color, I think that's perfect. Footer copyright icon on hover, it should be white color. Footer copyright top border color, let me keep it default only. Scroll down, enable this one. I want to enable this one. As you can see here when scrolling, a awesome animation effect you can see in the footer appearing. So that is actually for this option. Scroll down little bit. So here you can see disable automatic copyright, enable that, and my copyright will be this one. You can write anything, it's up to you. Scroll down more, make it 0.9, and in footer I want Facebook icon, Twitter icon. After that I want YouTube icon, and I need Instagram icon. I think that's 4 is enough. Now I have to click in the save changes. Whatever the social media profile you have, you can add them, it's up to you. Next, scroll up, click in the page transition, enable this one. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Let me change this color. I want pink color, and page transition BG color, let me make it white color. Now come back to the page header. Here no need to change anything. Directly come back to the form styling. Here actually I have to edit something. Let me enable this one. Scroll down a little bit, make it white color. After that input text color, here you can see the input text color. Let me make it pure black color. Here I am choosing this color. Here I am keeping default. Click in the save option. Come back to the call to action. Here also I am keeping everything as it is. Portfolio I does not have, so I am not discussing about that. Like if you want to enable the missionary style, you can do that. And from here you can choose in a single row how many columns should be displayed. And here you can see the project style. There are so many project style like hover effect, zoom effect, so many things is there. You can choose according to your need. It's very simple thing. How much spacing you need, you can mention that also, like that only. I have blog, so let me come back to the blog first of all. So in the blog auto missionary spacing, let me make it around 12 pixel. Here I am keeping everything as it is, make it 0.6. Remaining hide sidebar on the single post page, no, that's not required. Enable this one. After that, yes, everything is fine. Click in the save option. Now come back to the WooCommerce option. Here I want left sidebar. If you don't want sidebar, then you can choose full width or no sidebar, it's up to you. But I want, so I enable that. After that, Ajax product template add to cart, I want that. Lazy load I don't want. After that, add filters sidebar toggle, yes, I want that. After that, filter toggle sidebar status. If you want your filter should be always open, then you have to choose open, else you can choose close, it's up to you. As you can see here, for that option actually this toggle is coming. It's really awesome feature. If you want, when you open the shop page by default it should not display, then you have to hide that. I mean you have to make it hide. If you want it should be open and it should look like that when you opening, then you have to make it open. I think the open condition looking quite good and professional. So here I am keeping it open. Hope you understand. After the sticky sidebar means actually when you scrolling, as you can see, the sidebar becomes sticky after some time. Hope you understand. As you can see, I'm scrolling but the sidebar is sticky. So for that effect actually you have to enable that. After that, product styling, let me make it minimal designing. It's really looking awesome. Scroll down, enable this one also. Now scroll down, no need to change anything, just make sure it should be white color. Remaining I am keeping as it is, clicking the save option. Now scroll up and here you can see the single product option, click on that. So in the single product page, how the interface should be, I want it should be full width, I mean no sidebar should be there. So I'm choosing this one. If you want sidebar, then you can always choose right sidebar or left sidebar, it's up to you. Here remaining I am keeping as it is, just enable this one. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Come back to the archive header. So here also I am keeping everything as it is, no need to change anything. Next, come back to the general WordPress pages. Here let me choose this color here, and for this one let me choose the black color. I think that's perfect. If you want to add something header default background image, always you can do that, but in this project I am not going to upload any image. Social media, so whatever the social media link you have, you can enter. Here you have to enter your Facebook handle link. I am giving the hash sign because it's a dummy project only. Similarly here you have to mention your Twitter handle link, after that YouTube handle link, similarly Instagram link, like that. Let me click in the save option. After that, home slider. Actually in this tutorial I am not going to use any home slider, so I am keeping it default only. After the demo import, I think I already discussed about that. If you want to import any demo template, just you have to hover on the template, and after that you have to click in the import demo, and after that you have to enable all of them, and after that you have to just click in this confirm demo import. Enter demo site will be imported in your website. I'm cancelling that. So hope you understand all the customization option in detail. So now I have to create the home page. So for designing the home page, I have to hover on the pages, and after that I have to click in the add new option. Next, here actually I have to enter the page title. I am giving the page title as home. Now here you can see the force transparency on navigation. Enable that, because as you can see here in my demo website, if I come to my home page, here you can see a transparent nav bar. So for that actually I have to enable this option. Hope you understand. Remaining let me keep as it is. After that let me click in the publish option. Once it published, I have to click in this WP page builder option. Next I have to click in this front-end editor. So as you can see here in my demo website, first of all I have to design this video background session. So for that let me come back here, click in the add element. From there I have to click in the row. After that just hover like that, and after that I have to click in this edit option for the row. So from here I have to choose full width background. Now let me scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the padding. Top padding I am taking 20%. After that bottom padding I am taking around 15%. After that I have to come back to the background. From there I have to enable this video background option. So as you can see here, it asking the YouTube URL. So for uploading the video in YouTube, first of all you have to open YouTube. First of all you have to sign in, click in the sign in option. After entering email ID and password, you have to log in successfully. Next, for uploading the video, you have to click in this plus option. After that you have to click in the upload video. After that you have to click in the select file option. Suppose I want to upload this video, select the video, and after that you have to click in the open option. So as you can see here, video already started to upload. If you want to change the video name, always you can do that. Suppose I am giving the video name as video home background. Next, from here you have to select this one. No, it's not made for kid, and after that you have to click in the next. After that it will check the video is proper or not. It will take some time, so please wait for that. So as you can see here, no copyright issue found. So again I have to click in the next option, and after that you have to make unlisted. Next you have to click in the save option. So in this way you can easily upload your video in YouTube. So I already upload couple of video before. Suppose I want to use this video, click on that. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this link. Next what I have to do, I have to copy this link from here. Close this one. Now I have to come back here, and here actually I have to paste that link. Hope you understand. Now I have to come back to the color overlay. So from here, the first color, let me select the black color. Now I have to click in the save changes. Now let me close this one. So as you can see here, my video is coming properly. Now I need this heading, the new summer look. So for that, come back here. Again I have to click in the plus option. Now let me search for the text block here. Here you have to type text block. So as you can see here, there is the text block. Just click on that. First of all, remove the all unnecessary content. Next, I need this text. I have to make it H1. So click in this, and after that I have to choose heading 1. So in the next line, I have to write this. Let me click in the save changes. So as you can see here, it's coming like that, but I want everything should be in white color. So for that, what I have to do? So for that, you have to click in this show column content. From there, you have to click in the edit option. First of all, I have to make it center aligned. So here you can see center content. Enable that. After that, font color. Click in this. And from here, suppose I am choosing white color. Click in the save changes. So as you can see, everything is coming perfectly. Let me close this one. And after that, I have to click in this plus option because I need a button also. So let me search for the button. So here you can see the button. Just click on that. After that, button text, that will be shop now. And button size, I want large size. After that, here actually I have to enter the shop page link. I am giving the hash sign because it's a dummy project. Scroll down a little bit. Next, the button color. I think the pink color is looking quite good. So once done, you have to click in the save changes. After that, I have to close this one. Now let me check the tablet preview. So as you can see in the tablet preview, it's coming perfectly. Now let me check the mobile preview also. Okay, everything is coming perfectly. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview again. So after that, I have to design this category session. So for that, again I have to come back here. I have to click in the plus option. Let me take a row. Click in this. After that, I have to hover on that. Next, I have to click in the edit option for the row. So from here, I have to make it full with content. After that, let me click in the save changes. After that, I have to close this one. Next, here actually I have to click in the plus option. And from here, I have to search for the category grid. So here you can see the category grid. Click on that. Next, post type, I have to make it products. And from here actually, now I have to select the category. Suppose I want bag category. Actually, when you are going to select multiple categories, you have to press and hold the control key and then you have to select the categories. Like with the bag category, I want beauty product also. Scroll down a little bit. I want digital watch also. Scroll down more. I want this handbag also. After the text content alignment, I want it should be bottom left. Scroll down more. Let me click in the save changes. And another thing I forgot. Here you can see the item spacing. Let me make it 10 pixel. Okay, it's coming like that. But I really don't like the interface. Let me make it 2. And after that, let me click in the save changes. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. But then also there is a problem. I want it should be a missionary style. So for that, let me enable the missionary layout and click in the save changes. Better to make it 4. Let me try once how it's looking. Okay, as you can see, it's coming perfectly. But I want some black overlay. Let me come back here. Now click in this and from here, let me choose the black color. After that, if you want to change the opacity always, you can do that. Suppose I am making it 0.5. Remaining, I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the save option. Now let me hover on that. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. So now let me close this one. So after that, I have to design this product slider for the trending bags. So you can come back here, click in the plus option. Let me take a row. After that, I have to hover on that and click in the edit option for the row. From here, I have to make it full with content. I think I need some padding top and bottom also. Padding top, let me take around 50 pixel and padding bottom also let me take around 50 pixel. Next, I have to click in the save changes. Next, I have to close that. And after that, I have to click in the plus option. And here, let me search for the WooCommerce product. So here you can see the WooCommerce products. Click on that. So here I want the slider for the bag category. So I am choosing bag category from here. Number of the column, that should be dynamic. Number of the products, let me make it 8. Scroll down a little bit. Enable carousel display. Yes, I want that. Next, let me click in the save option. Enable pagination. No, I don't want. So next, here you can see the carousel control. Let me select this one. Next, previous arrow and text. Click in the save option. Let me check arrow is coming or not. So as you can see, arrow is coming perfectly. Scroll down. If you want to add some animation, always you can do that. Suppose I am adding fade in bottom. Next, carousel heading text. I mean this text actually. So here I have to mention that carousel heading tag. Let me make it as 3. Carousel link text. So here I am writing see all products. And after that, carousel link URL. Here actually I have to enter the link for the bag category. But it's a dummy website, so I am entering hash sign only. Add item shadow. Yes, I want that, enable that. Next I have to click in the save changes. So as you can see here, my heading is also coming perfectly. Let me close this one and let me check the tablet preview once. So as you can see here, in the tablet preview everything is coming perfectly. Now let me check the mobile preview also. So as you can see, in the mobile preview also everything working perfectly. Now let me come back to the desktop preview again. So as you can see here in my demo website, again I need this category grid. I already designed a category grid in the top, as you can see here. So you can do one thing, just scroll up. After that, here you can see the duplicate option or clone column option. Click on that. So as you can see, you already get a clone row. So next what I have to do, I have to just drag and drop it downside like that. Next I have to click in the edit option. Let me unselect all the categories first of all. After that, from here, let me select all the category what I needed. So first of all, I need the face care. So here you can see the face care. Now press and hold the control key. Now scroll down. After that, I need the makeup brush also. So by pressing and holding control key, you have to select makeup brush. Scroll down more. So after that, I need the perfume. Again press and hold the control key and select perfume. Again scroll down little bit more. So here you can see the women's dress. Select that. After that, I have to click in the save changes. Okay, everything is coming perfectly. Now let me close this one. So after that, I have to design this product slider. So you can come back here. Now hover on this, and here actually I have to clone this row. Click in this clone row option. So you can see here, entire row get copied. Next, after that, just drag and drop it here like that. Just drag it downside. Okay, as you can see, it's coming perfectly. So now I have to click in the edit option, and from here I don't want the back category. Just scroll down. I need this women's dress category. After that, scroll down more because I have to change this heading also, and my heading will be this one. And here in this link actually you have to enter the women's dress category product link. After that, you have to click in the save changes. Let me close this one. So next I have to design this video session. So for that, again I have to come back here, click in the plus option. Let me take a row. Now I have to click in this edit option for the row, and from here I have to choose full width content. Scroll down little bit. The padding top I want 15%. After that, padding bottom I want 15%. So now directly come back to the background option. From there, enable the video background. Now let me come back to the YouTube. I already teach you how to upload a video in YouTube. Suppose now I want to use this video. Click in this. After that, I have to click in this one. Now I have to copy the link from here. After that, I have to close that. Next I have to come back here, and here I have to paste the URL. After that, let me click in the save option. Come back to the color overlay. Here also I need black color overlay. Click in this and click in the save option. Now let me close that. After that, here I have to click in the plus option, and let me search for the text block. So here you can see the text block. Click on that. First of all, remove everything from here. The first line will be this one, and I want this should be heading 4. So from here I am choosing heading 4. Next I have to come to the next line. So my next line will be this one. Select that and make it heading 2. After that, I need a small paragraph, and that contain this. Let me click in the save changes. So as you can see, it's coming like that. I need some padding actually. Let me come back to the design option. So here you can see the padding for the left hand side. Let me take around 25 pixel. Let me click in the save option. Okay, now it's looking quite good. I think let me make it 35 pixel. Click in the save changes. Next what I have to do, let me close this one. I need all should be in white color. So for that, I have to click in this edit column option, and from here I have to change the font color. Scroll down little bit. So here you can see the font color. Let me make it white color, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next I have to close this one, and after that just hover on that like that, and here actually I have to click in the plus option, and here let me search for button. So here you can see the button. Just click on that, and my button text that will be browse collection. Next I need some margin also. So here you can see the left margin. Let me give 35 pixel. Let me click in the save option. So now it's looking quite perfect. Let me close this one. Let me check the tablet preview. So you can see here in the tablet preview it's coming like that. After that, let me check the mobile preview. So you can see here in the mobile preview also it's coming perfectly. Let me switch back to the desktop preview again. Now actually for this session I have to add a shape divider. So for that, again click in this and click in the edit option for the row. From here I have to come back to the shape divider. I have to first of all enable that, and from there I want this tilt effect. Scroll down, shape divider position, I am selecting bottom. After the shape divider height, let me take 80. Enable this bring to front. Click in the save option. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Now let me click in the close option. After that again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take a row. After that just hover on that, and after that I have to click in the edit option for the row. Next I have to scroll down a little bit. So padding top I am taking 5%. Bottom also I am taking 5%. Now let me click in the save changes. Close this one. And here actually you can see in my demo website, first of all there is a text block, and after that here you can see total 3 icon boxes. So again let me click in the plus option. Let me take a inner row, I mean this row again, I mean row inside row. So as you can see inner row appearing here. After that I have to click in the plus option here. Now let me take a text block. So let me search for the text block here. Click in the text block. So here my content will be this one, and make sure it should be center aligned. Now let me click in the save changes. After that I have to close that. Here again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take another row. Next hover on that, and I have to click in this. Click in the edit option. Scroll down a little bit. Padding top I am taking 30, and padding bottom also I am taking 30. Next I have to click in the save changes. Let me close this. After that I have to click in this one, I mean change layout option, because in a single row I want total 3 column. So here you can see single row 3 column. Let me click in the update option. Next let me close this one, and after that I have to click in this plus option, and here let me search for the fancy box. Click in the fancy box, and from this drop down as a style I am choosing color box hover effect. Icon library I am choosing front awesome. Click in this, and from here let me search for the track icon, I mean this one. Next icon size, let me take 40. Next content, I want my content will be this, I mean this one will be heading 4 and this one will be normal paragraph. Hope you understand. Scroll down more. Minimum height I am taking 100 pixel. Box color I am choosing this pink color only, and it's a default color. Custom color box not required. Next content alignment I have to make it center. Add border, enable that. Enable the animation also. Animation effect, suppose I am taking this one. You can choose any effect. Else another animation is very popular for that, glow in. Now let me click in the save changes. So as you can see here my icon box are coming perfectly. Next let me close this one. After that I have to duplicate that. Next just drag and drop it here like that. Similarly here also again I have to duplicate that. After that hover on that and drag and drop it here just like that. Next I have to click in the edit option for the second one. Now scroll up little bit, click in this, and here let me search for the help. So I need this icon. After the scroll down little bit, and my content will be this one. Click in the save changes. After that I have to close that. Next I have to hover on that and click in the edit option. After that again I have to scroll up little bit, click in this, and from here let me search for the cup. Click in this, scroll down, and here let me select everything, remove that, and that will be my content. Click in the save changes, close that. Now let me check the tablet preview. So as you can see here in the tablet preview it's coming like that. Now let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview also as you can see everything is coming perfectly. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview again. Next I have to design this session. So in the top of the row there will be the shape divider, and here you can see the background overlay color is also little bit gradient type. Let me come back here. First of all let me click in the plus option. Now I am taking a row. After that I have to hover on that, click in this edit option for the row. Again I have to click in the edit option. From here click in this, and I want it should be full with content, vertically centered, yes. After that padding top let me take around 10%. Bottom I am taking around 10%. Right and left I am taking 3%. Next I have to come back to the background. Next I have to click in the add image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image. After that I have to click in the set image option. Background position I have to make it center. Next let me come back to the background overlay. From here I have to enable the gradient first of all. Now my first color is black color, and my second color let me take this color. Here you can see the overlay strength. Let me make it heavy, and gradient direction it's up to you. You can make it left to right or whatever, so many options is there. It's up to you. Let me click in the save changes now. So now actually I have to add the shape divider. Click in this, enable the shape divider, tilt, enable that, scroll down, and the position will be top. After that, shape divider height, let me make it 80. Click in the save changes. After that I have to close that. So as you can see here, it's coming perfectly. Next I have to click in this change layout option. From there I want single row and 2 column. Let me click in the update option. First of all, I need a text block. Click in the plus option, and here let me search for the text block, this one. Click on that, and my text block content will be this one. Copy it, come back here. So first of all, remove everything, and that will be my content. After that, let me click in the save changes. After that I have to close that. Next I have to click in this plus option. After that I need the highlighting text. So let me search for the highlighting text, means this one. Click on that. So my content will be this one. Now let me select that, and I am making it heading 2. But if you come to my demo website, here you can see for this text actually there is some beautiful underline effect. So for that, let me come back to the text field. So here in the starting of the awesome and ending of the awesome, I have to add a em tag. Just write em, and here actually I have to end that em tag /em and close it. After that, highlight color. The highlight color, suppose I am taking this color. I think that's perfect. Next, scroll down a little bit. The style I want, it should be fancy underline. Let me click in the save changes. Let me check how it's looking. So as you can see here, everything is coming perfectly, but I want everything should be in white color. I'll do that later, don't worry. After that, I have to add a video button also. Click in this, and let me search for the video lightbox. I mean this one. Click in this. From here, let me choose this one, play button with text video URL. So you have to enter your video URL. Here actually I am giving one of my own video link. If you want to change the play button color, always you can do that. It's up to you. Suppose I am taking this color. And next, let me click in the save changes. Let me check how it's looking. Okay, it's coming like that. Next, I want everything should be center aligned. So for that, I have to click in the edit option for the column. Scroll down a little bit. Center content. Let me click in the save option. And after that, here you can see the font color. Let me make it white color. Again, let me click in the save option, and after that I have to close that. So as you can see here, everything is looking awesome. After that, I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I need a testimonial slider. So let me search for the testimonial. So here you can see the testimonial slider. Click on that. So now actually I have to hover on that. Here you can see the testimonial. I have to click in the edit option. So first of all, let me add the image of the person. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set image option. Next, here actually I have to enter the person name. In the subtitle, I have to enter the person designation, and the content you have to write in the quote. Star rating. Suppose I want to make it 5-star rating. So let me choose 5-star. Click in the save option. After that, I have to close that. Again, for adding another testimonial, I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the add new testimonial option. So as you can see here, new testimonial get added, and again I have to click in the edit option here. First of all, let me add the image. Click in the add image option. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set image option. After that, here actually I have to enter the person name. So in the subtitle I am writing CEO Web SEO tips. Scroll down, and here actually I have to mention the content. Star rating, suppose I am giving 4-star. After that I have to click in the save option. Let me close that. I think third testimonial is not required, so let me delete that. So now there is only 2 testimonial. After that I have to click in the edit option for the testimonial. First of all, star rating color. I don't want this red color. I want this blue color. So I am choosing the blue color. Style, let me keep it basic only. Let me click in the save option, and after that let me click in the close. After that, let me click in the edit option for the column, and here scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the font color. Let me make it white color, and after that let me click in the save option. As you can see here, everything is coming perfectly, but I want some gap in between this. So for that actually I have to click in this edit option for the row. So here you can see the column margin. Let me take around 70 pixel. Click in the save changes. Okay, now you can see there are a lot of gap in between these 2 columns. Let me check the tablet preview once. So as you can see in the tablet preview, it's coming just perfect. Even in the mobile preview also, as you can see, I think it's perfect only. So designing of the home page is complete. Now I have to design the about us page. So for that, let me come back to the desktop preview. After that, I have to update the page. So once the page successfully updated, I have to come back to the backend editor. Next, I have to add a new page. So for that, I have to click in this add new option. I am giving the title of the page as about us. Next I have to click in the publish option. Once it published, I have to click in this WP page builder option. After that I have to click in the front end editor. Next I have to click in the add element option, and from here I need a row. After that hover on that, click in this, and the layout of the row that should be 46 plus 26. Click in the update option, and after that I have to close that. Next let me click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the single image. So here you can see the single image, click on that. After that I have to click in the add image option. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set image option. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. Now let me click in the save changes. After that I have to close that. Now let me click in this edit option for the row. Type should be in container. After that equal height column, yes, I want to enable that. Alignment I have to make it middle. Remaining here I am keeping everything as it is. Let me close that. After that I have to click in the plus option. From there let me search for the custom header. So here you can see the custom heading, and my text content will be this one. Quality is what matters most. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Font size let me take around 40 pixel, and line height let me take around 50 pixel. After the text color, that should be black color. Remaining I am keeping as it is. If you want to add some animation effect, always you can do that. Suppose I am adding bounce in left. After that I have to click in the save changes, and after that I have to close it. Okay, it's coming like that. I think I have to change the line height little bit. Let me make it 50 pixel, and after that let me click in the save option. Okay, as you can see now everything is perfect. So again I have to click in the plus option, and let me search for the text block. So here you can see the text block, and my text block content will be this one. Let me come back here. First of all remove everything, and after that I have to write the content here. Click in the save option, and after that I need a button also. So again I have to click in the plus option, and let me search for the button. So here you can see the button, and my button text will be learn more. So here actually I have to write learn more. Size that would be large size. Remaining here I am keeping everything as it is. After that I have to click in the save changes. Okay, it's coming like that, but I want it should be display like that. So for that, first of all I have to add a hover effect. So hover on the image and click in the edit option. Now scroll down a little bit. So here actually I have to add the hover animation. Suppose I am adding zoom in effect. Next, scroll down more. So here you can see the desktop max width. Let me make it 110%, and after that let me click in the save option. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. It's coming like that, but I want it should be come like that. So for that what I have to do, I have to click in this. After that I have to click in the edit row option. So from there I have to enable this equal column, and here you can see the column content alignment. I have to make it middle. Let me click in the save option. So okay, as you can see now it's coming perfectly. Now let me close that. So after that I need this title. So for that what I have to do, let me come back here, click in the plus option. Now let me search for the heading. So here you can see the custom heading. Click on that, and my heading content will be this one, and make it h1. Let me click in the save option. Okay, it's coming like that. So I think better to let me make it h2. Okay, it's coming perfectly. After that I have to change the text color also, because I want it should be deep black color. Let me click in the save option, and after that let me click in the close option. So after that I need this text. So for that again I have to click in the plus option, and here let me search for the text block. So here you can see the text block. Click on that, and after that remove all the unnecessary content, and after that here actually I have to write my content. Let me click in the save option. Okay, it's coming like that. I think I need some top padding around 30 pixel. Let me click in the save changes again. I think it's perfect. Let me close this. So after that I have to design this section. So for that let me click in the plus option. Let me take single and single column. From here I have to click in the edit option for the row, and from here actually I have to choose full with background. After that scroll down a little bit. Padding top let me take around 14%. After that padding bottom also let me take around 14%. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Margin top let me take around 60 pixel. Now let me come back to the background option. So from here I have to click in the add image first of all. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image. After that I have to click in the set feature image. After that image position I am taking top left. Now let me come back to the color overlay. From there I am choosing black color. After that, overlay strength, let me make it heavy. Let me click in the save option. So it's coming like that. Next I have to come back to the shape divider. From there, first of all I have to enable that. After that I have to choose my effect. Suppose I am taking this tilt effect. After that I have to scroll down. So here the position it will be top and bottom, and after that height it will be 80 pixel. Let me click in the save changes again. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. So here first of all I need a video button. Let me click in the plus option and let me search for the video. So from here I am clicking in this video light box. So let me come back to my YouTube. Let me click this, and after that let me copy the link, close it. Now let me come back here, and here actually I have to paste the URL. After that, which type of the play button you want? I want play button with text. Let me click in the save changes. So as you can see here it's coming like that. Now I have to close this one. Again hover on that and click in the plus option. Now let me search for the custom heading. Click in the custom heading, and my heading will be this one. Let me copy it, come back here, and actually here I have to mention that. Next, text align, I have to make it center. Let me click in the save option. After that I have to close this one, and here I have to click in this edit column option also. And from here what I have to do, come back to the centered content, I have to enable that. Click in the save option, and after that I have to change the font color also. Suppose I am taking white color. Again I have to click in the save option. Next let me close this one. After that again I have to click in the plus option, because now I need a small heading also. So again let me search for the heading. So here you can see the custom heading. Click on that, and my custom heading content will be this one. Let me copy this one. Let me come back here, and here actually I have to mention that. And from here let me make it A6. After the text align, that should be centered, and after that I have to click in the save option. So as you can see here it's coming like that. If you want to add some CSS animation always you can do that. And font family I am choosing Roboto. Let me search for the Roboto here. So that is the Roboto. Click in the save option again. So next let me close this one. After that again I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to take a row. So in this row, first of all I have to click in this edit option. From here you can see the spacing. Top I am taking around 50 pixel. Next bottom also let me take around 50 pixel. Let me click in the save option. After that I have to click in the plus option here, and from here let me search for the text block. So here is the text block. Click on that, and my text block content will be this one. So let me come back here. First of all remove everything, and after that whatever the content you want to write you can write it here. Select everything. From here let me take it H4. After that I have to click in the save option. I think H4 is very small. Make it H3. Let me click in the save option again. Okay, now it's looking quite good. So after that I have to close that. Now I have to click in the plus option, and from here let me take the row. Click in this. After that I have to click in the edit option. Scroll down a little bit. Padding top let me take around 40 pixel, and next padding bottom I have to take around 40 pixel. After that I have to click in the save option. So next what I have to do, I have to click in this layout option, and from there the layout, suppose I am taking this one. After that I have to click in the update option. Next I have to click in the plus option. Let me search for the single image. Click in the single image option, and after that here actually I have to add the image. Click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set image, and after that I have to click in the save changes also. Next I have to close that. Again I have to click in the plus option, and here again I have to search for the single image. So here you can see the single image. After that I have to click in the add image option, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set image. So next I have to click in the save option. Next I have to close that. And another thing I forgot, I have to click in this edit column option again, and from here actually I have to make it equal height column, and this one it should be bottom. Click in the save option. After that I have to close this one. Next again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take a row, and after that I have to hover on that. Click in the layout option, and the layout suppose I am taking this one. Click in the update option. Next ignore the first one. Click in the plus option, and let me search for the image. Here you can see the single image. Click on that. Now click in the add image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, and after that I have to click in the set image option. Next I have to click in the save changes. After that I have to close this one. Again I have to click in the plus option, and here again I have to search for the single image. So let me click in this, and after that I have to click in the add option, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set image option. Next I have to click in the save changes. After that I have to close that. Similarly here also I have to click in the plus option, and again I have to search for the single image. Let me click in this single image, and from here click in the add image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set image. Here it's really looking awesome. Now let me check the tablet preview once. So you can see here in the tablet preview it's coming like that, and if you check the mobile preview, you can see everything is coming perfectly. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview again. So you can see everything is coming perfectly. Now I have to again click in the plus option. From here let me take a row. After that I have to click in this, click in the edit option. First of all scroll down a little bit. Padding top let me take around 5%, and padding bottom let me take around 3%. After that I have to click in the save option. So next I have to click in this layout option, and I want it should be 4:6 plus 2:6. Let me click in the update option. So after that I have to click in the plus option here. Let me search for the text block. So here you can see the text block, click on that, and my text block content will be this one. Copy it, come back here and select everything and paste that. Let me click in the save option. So after that again I have to click in the plus option. Now let me search for the custom heading. So here you can see the custom heading, click on that. So that will be my content. Let me click in the save option. Okay, as you can see here it's coming like that. I think it's perfect. Let me click in the close option. After that I have to click in the plus option. Let me take a row, and from here let me click in the plus option, and from here I have to search for the icon list. So here you can see the icon list, click on that. So next let me click in this, and after that I have to click in the edit option. Animate element, yes I want that. This one it should be horizontal, and column let me make it 3. After that icon size that should be small size. Remaining I am keeping as it is. After that I have to click in the save option. Next I have to click in the close option. So now let me hover on that, and after that I have to click in the edit option. List icon type I am choosing number. After that in header I have to write sign up for free, and the content type that will be simple text. Text content will be this one, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Similarly for this one also, for the second one also I have to click in the edit option for the list item. The list icon type that should be number. After my header content will be this one. Here actually I have to mention the content. Let me click in the save option. Next what I have to do, I have to just duplicate it couple more time, because I want total 6 icon list here. So I have to keep on duplicate. So as you can see here, now total 6 icon list are coming already. Similarly I have to click in the edit option for the third one. So here my title will be this one. So here I have to mention that. After that the content, copy it, come back here, select all, remove everything and paste that. After that I have to click in the save changes. So hope you understand how to edit this list items. I am not going to edit everything because it will make my video very long. Let me close it, and after that let me check the tablet preview. So as you can see here, everything is coming perfectly. Even for the mobile preview also everything is working perfectly. Next let me click in the update option, and after that I have to click in the backend editor. Next again I have to add one other page. For that I have to click in the add new option, and the page title that will be contact us. After that I have to click in the publish option. Once it published, after that I have to click in this WP page builder option, and from there I have to choose front end editor. So now I have to create a contact us page which should look like that. So let me create this header portion first of all. So let me click in the add element option, and after that let me click in the row. Next, so here you can see there is a row already added. Click in this, and after that I have to click in the edit option for the row, and from this drop down I have to make it full with background. Scroll down a little bit. Padding top I am taking around 15%, and padding bottom I am taking around 5%. Next, directly come back to the background option. From there I have to click in the add image option. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set image option. After that come back to the color overlay. So in the color overlay, click in this. Let me add a pink color overlay. I think that's perfect. After that I have to click in the save changes. I think I need little bit light pink color. Now let me click in the save changes again. After that I have to click in the plus option here, and here actually I need a divider. So here you can see the divider, click on that. Now the divider height, let me take around 300. For the tablet it will be 200, and for the mobile devices it will be 150. After that I have to click in the save changes. Now let me close this one. Next I have to add another row. For that I have to click in the plus option. From there I have to click in the row. Next, as you can see here, one row already added. After that I have to click in this layout option, and from there I am taking 1 4 plus 3 4. After that I have to click in the update option. Next what I have to do, I have to click in the plus option here, and after that here actually I have to search for the text block. So here you can see the text block, click on that. My first text block content will be this one. So let me come back here. First of all, remove everything. Let me paste the content, select that and make it heading 4 or h4. After that I need this content also. So again let me come back to the text mode, come out to the h4 tag, and here let me write that. Now let me come back to the visual mode. Okay, it's coming perfectly. After that I have to click in the save changes. So as you can see, it's coming like that. Let me close this one. After that I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the call to action. So here you can see the call to action, click on that, and the style that will be underline. Display tag, let me make it h5. Link text, that will be get direction. Here remaining I am keeping as it is, and here you can see the link URL. Actually here I have to add the map URL or map link. For opening the map you have to open a new tab. Let me search for the Google map. Open the Google map. Now let me select a dummy location. Suppose that is my location. I am selecting any random location. Okay, so after you select the location, what you have to do, you have to click in the share option, and here you can see link to share. Just click in the copy link, and after that you have to come back here. Here actually you have to paste the link, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next I have to click in the close. After that just hover on that and click in the edit option for the column. First of all, here you can see the column padding, make it 3%. Come back to the background, click in this. Suppose I am taking this color. After that let me click in the save changes. So you can see it's coming like that. I have to change the font color also. The font color, let me take white color. Again let me click in the save option. So as you can see it's coming like that. But I want little bit border radius also. So as you can see here in my demo website, the border is little bit smooth. It's rounded corner. But here you can see that the sharp corner. So for that what I have to do, in the general option, scroll down little bit. So here you can see the border radius. Let me make it 10 pixel. After that let me click in the save option. So as you can see here, now it's coming perfectly. Let me close it. So after that I have to click in the plus option. Let me take a row. After that I have to click in this edit option for the row. Now scroll down little bit, padding top let me take around 50 pixel. And for the tablet devices, padding top let me take around 40 pixel. Let me click in the save option, close it. After that I have to click in the plus option. Now I have to search for the custom heading. So here you can see the custom heading, click on that. My heading will be other offices. So here actually I have to write other offices. Now let me click in the save changes. Once done, here you can see the font family. Let me take Roboto. Let me search for the Roboto. Here you can see the Roboto, click on that. After that I have to click in the save changes. Let me close this one. After that again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take a row. So as you can see here, row already come here. First of all I have to click in the edit option for the row. Scroll down, padding top I am taking 40 pixel. Let me click in the save changes. After that I have to click in this layout option, and here I am choosing this one, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. After that I have to click in the update option. Next what I have to do, here you can see the text block. Just I have to copy this or duplicate that. After that just drag and drop it here like that. Again I have to click in the plus option, and again I have to search for the call to action. Click in this, and from here I am choosing material button. Let me make it h5. Link text, that will be view map. Color, suppose I am choosing this pink color. After that here you can see the link URL. Again you have to open the Google map. Suppose that is my location. So again I have to click in the share option, click in the copy link, come back here, and here you have to mention that URL. After that you have to click in the save changes. Now close this one. Similarly I have to copy or clone 3 times. Next what I have to do, just drag and drop here like that. This also drag and drop it here like that. Let me copy again, and after that just drag and drop it here like that. After that, for the call to action option also, let me copy it more 3 times. Next, just drag and drop it here downside like that. This one also drag and drop it here, and for the last one also drag and drop it here like that. After that, you have to click in this edit option, and here actually you have to change the URL, but it's a dummy project, so everything I'm keeping as it is. Even you have to change the office addresses also, but in this project I'm keeping everything as it is. So after that, I have to click in the plus option again. I have to take another row. This time I want my row content 2 column. So I have to click in this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, and after that I have to click in the update option. Next, what I have to do, I have to close this one, and after that I have to click in this, and I have to click in the edit option for the row. Next, I need some margin top around 70 pixel, and for the tablet it will be 50 pixel, and for the mobile devices it will be 40 pixel. I have to click in the save option. After that, I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the custom heading. So here you can see the custom heading, and my custom heading will be frequently asked question. I have to click in the save changes. After that, I have to close this one. I think better to change the font family because it's not looking good. I think Roboto will be the perfect. So again, I have to click in the edit option, scroll down a little bit. So here you can see the font family. Let me search for the Roboto. So here you can see the Roboto, click in this, and after that I have to click in the save option. I think now it's looking good. Click in the save changes. After that I have to close, and after that here actually I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the toggle. So here you can see the toggle panel. Let me click on that. So as you can see here, my toggles are coming like that. So after that, what I have to do, I have to click in the edit option for the first session. Next, I have to give the session title. Suppose I am giving the section title as this one, and typography I am choosing H4. Click in the save changes. So as you can see, it's coming like that. Now let me close this one, and after that I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the text block. So that is the text block. If you want to change the content knowledge, you can do that, but it's a dummy website, so I am keeping the default content only. After that, you have to click in the save changes, and after that I have to close that. Similarly, for the second one also, click in the edit option. After that, you have to give the section title, and here you have to choose H4. Click in the save changes. Next, you have to click in the close option. After that, I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the text block, and I have to click in the text block. After that, if you want, you can change the content, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Now I have to close that. Similarly, let me clone this couple of time. How many toggle you want, you have to clone that much time. And after that, for the third one, suppose click in the edit option. So that is my title. Click in the save changes. Now for the fourth one also, let me change the title. Click in the edit option. Suppose that is my title. Hope you understand the process. I am keeping it as it is. So after that, actually I have to create this contact form. It is quite easy. For creating the contact form, what I have to do, first of all, let me click in the save changes, and after that let me close it, and let me update it first of all. And after that, in the similar time, open the dashboard in a new tab, and from there what I have to do, so in the dashboard actually here you can see the WP form. Click on that, and from there, for creating a new form, you have to click in this create your form. After that, this page will open. Here actually you have to enter your contact form name. I am giving the form name as contact, and after that I want a simple contact form. So let me click in this use this template. So it will automatically create a form for me. We can easily edit that also. Let me click the first one and come back to the advanced, and here I have to make it large. Even for this one also, click in this, come back to the advanced option, and here actually I have to make it large. For adding a new field, you have to click in this add field option. Suppose I want a field for the mobile number, so drag and drop it here like that, and after that I have to click in this, and the label that will be phone number. Come back to the advanced option. Here actually I have to make it large. Once done, you have to click in the save changes. After that, let me close this. Now come back here. Here actually I have to refresh the page once. That's the reason I already updated the page before. So once it updated, here actually you have to click in the plus option. First of all, I need a custom heading. So here you can see the custom heading. Click on that. My custom heading will be contact us. Scroll down, and here you can see the font family. I have to choose Roboto. So here you can see the Roboto. After that, I have to click in the save changes. Now I have to click in the close option. Next, I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the WP form. So here you can see the WP form. Click in this, and from this drop down, let me select the form what I just create. I mean contact form. Next, I have to click in the save option. You will see the error message something, but it will not appear in the website. It's a editing mode. That's the reason it's appearing. So don't worry about that. After that, you have to click in the save changes, and after that you have to click in the close option. If you don't okay with the WP form, always you can use the contact form 7 plugin also. It's very simple. So after that I have to click in the update option. Next I have to click in the backend editor. Now actually I have to create the blog page. So again I have to click in the add new option. Next here I have to enter the page name as blog. After that I have to click in the publish option. So once it published, let me click in the double option again for returning to the dashboard. Now let me set up the default homepage and blog page. So for that actually I have to hover on the settings and click in the reading option. Here you can see the reading option. Click on that and I have to choose this option. For the home page let me select home, and for the post page let me select the blog. After that I have to click in the save changes. Next what I have to do, I have to come back to the permalinks also. So in the permalink what I have to do, I have to make it post name. Scroll down, click in the save changes. So now I have to create some blog also. So for that hover on the post and click in the add new. But if you want to create some blog category, then you have to click in the categories option. Let me create some category. By default one category will be there, that is uncategorized. Let me add some category like travel, shopping, business, web development. Next I have to click in the add new. Once done, for creating the blog you have to click in this add new option. So now actually I have to create the blogs. First of all here actually I have to write the title of the blog. Next here I have to write the content of the blog. Next what I have to do, I have to click in the post option, and here you can see the category. Click on that. From here you have to select the post category. You can select single category, else if you want you can select more than one category also, I mean multiple categories also. Scroll down, here you can see the feature image. Click on that. After that I have to click in the set feature image, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image. After that I have to click in the publish option. Again for adding another blog I have to again click in the double option. Actually by default there will be one blog, just delete that, click in the trash option, and after that again I have to click in the add new option for adding a new blog. So in similar manner again I have to enter the title, and after that I have to enter the description. Next I have to click in the post option. From there I have to choose the category. After that I have to set the feature image, click in this, and from the media library let me take this image, click in the set feature image. After that I have to click in the publish option. Again after publish I have to click in the double option for adding a new blog. Again I have to click in the add new option. So that will be my third blog title, and blog content will be this one. Click in the post option. Suppose I am choosing web development category. In the feature image suppose I am taking this one, click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Next again I have to click in the double option. Let me add my last blog. So again I have to click in the add new option, give the title. After that I have to write the content. Once you wrote all the content, come back to the post, and here the category, suppose I am taking these two category. After that let me click in the set feature image option. From the media library let me take this image, click in the set feature image. After that I have to click in the publish option. So in this way you can create blogs. So now let me create the header. For creating the header, first of all I have to create this main menu like home, about, shop, blog, contact us, etc. So for that what I have to do, I have to click in this double option again for coming back to dashboard. After coming to dashboard I have to hover on the appearance. Next I have to click in the menu option. Here I have to give the menu name. I am giving the menu name as main menu, and from here I have to choose this one, top navigation menu. After that I have to click in the create menu option. Now come back to the view all. So I want first of all home page, after that about us page, next I want shop page, after that I want blog page, next I want contact us page. After that I have to click in the add domain option. Let me arrange them little bit, like after home it should be about us page, next will be the shop page, and after that blog page and contact us page. Now let me click in the save menu option. So now let me check how my website is looking now. Click in the view site. So you can see here my menu is coming perfectly. Now I have to design this mega menu. So for that let me come back to the menu page, and here actually I have to add the product categories, but here you can't able to find the product category. For that here actually you can see the screen option, click on that. From here actually you can see the product categories, click on that. After that click in this product category. So from here actually let me click in the view all. So here you can see all the categories. So now let me select all of them, click in the select all option, and after that you have to click in the add to menu option. So now you can do one thing, just drag the shop page downside of the contact us page, because I want the mega menu in the downside of the shop option. So bag will be the sub item for the shop, and this handbag, laptop bag, ladies bag, luggage bag, that will be the sub item for the bag category. Similarly, beauty product will be the sub category for the shop. After that, that's body oil, face care, makeup brush, makeup kit, that will be the sub menu for the beauty product. Similarly, for the man dress also, that will be the sub category for the shop. And after that, this coat, jacket, t-shirt, winter dress, that will be the sub category for the man's dress. Here I don't need this perfume, so let me remove that. Even I don't need this uncategorized also, so click in this, and after that let me click in the remove option. I need watch, so watch will be the subcategory for the shop. After that, this analog watch, digital watch, and the fitness band will be the subcategory for the watch. Similarly, women's dress will be the subcategory for the shop, and this bikini, casual dress, formal dress, party dress, even this winter dress will be the subcategory of the women's dress. Next, scroll up a little bit. Now I have to click in this. Now actually here I have to click in this Salient menu item option. Click on that. From there, first of all I have to enable the mega menu. Position I have to make it middle. This should be center. Remaining I am keeping as it is. After that I have to click in the save changes. So as you can see here, save successful. Let me close this one. After that I have to save the menu also. Next, let me come back here and refresh the page once. So as you can see here, my mega menu is coming perfectly. Now I have to arrange the main item little bit, because I want this shop option should be after the about us option. So what I have to do, I have to just drag and drop the blog option downside like that. Similarly for the contact us option also, just drag it downside of the blog. Once done, you have to click in the save option again. Now let me come back here. After that, let me refresh the page once. Okay, now you can see it's coming perfectly. Even in the mobile preview also, as you can see, my mega menu is coming perfectly. All the categories are displaying properly. So now let me come back here again. So after designing the header, actually I have to design this beautiful footer, because as you can see in my demo website, there is no footer. For designing the footer, first of all I have to come back to the dashboard, and after that I have to hover on the appearance and click in the menus. As you can see here in the demo website, in my footer, actually there are total 3 menus. So for designing this menu, I have to create the menu. For creating a new menu, I have to click in this option, create a new menu. After that, here actually I have to enter the menu name. I am giving the menu name as F1, footer 1, and after that I have to click in the create menu option. From here, let me click in the product category, click in the view all. Let me select all the main categories like bag, beauty product, man's dress, perfume, watch, and after that let me click in the add to menu option. After that I have to click in the save menu. Let me create another menu. So again I have to click in this option, create a new menu. Menu name I am giving as F2. After that I have to click in the create menu option. From here let me click in this WooCommerce endpoint. From here let me select download, order, address, payment method, account details, and after that I have to click in the add to menu option. Again I have to click in the save menu option. After that again I have to create another menu. So let me create a new menu option. After that let me give the menu name as F3, footer 3. After that I have to click in this create menu option. So now let me click in this view all. So let me select some random pages. After that I have to click in the add to menu option. After that I have to click in the save menu option. Next, directly come back to the widget. So here actually you can see footer area 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Let me click in the footer area 1. First of all let me click in this plus option and let me click in the image. Click in the media library. From the media library let me take this image, click in the select option. After that again I have to click in the plus option, click in the paragraph. In the paragraph actually I need this about text. Copy that, come back here. Here I have to mention the text. So after that I need this contact information or contact box. So now let me come back here. Open the folder which link I already given in the video description. From there you have to open the footer text. Let me select everything, copy everything, close that. Now again I have to click in the plus option and let me search for the HTML. So here you can see the custom HTML. So here actually you have to paste that code, and at the place of my phone number you can give your phone number. After that at the place of my email ID you can give your email ID. Similarly for the WhatsApp number also. Once done you have to click in the update option. So once it updated, let me click in this footer area too. So here I have to click in the plus option and let me search for the menu. So here you can see the navigation menu, click on that. After that title, that will be main category, and from here I am choosing F1. Similarly for the footer area 3 also, click in the plus option. After that I have to search for the menu. Here you can see the navigation menu. Let me give the title as important pages, and from here I am choosing F2. Again I have to click in the update option. Similarly for the footer area 4 also, let me click on that, and after that again I have to click in the plus option. Let me search for the menu, click in the navigation menu. So I am giving the menu name as shop link, and here I am choosing F3. Again I have to click in the update option. So now let me come back to my website and refresh the page to check footer is coming or not. So as you can see here, my menu is coming perfectly. So next what I have to do, I have to design the sidebar for the shop page. As you can see here, in my website there is no sidebar, but if you come my demo website, if I click in the shop page, here you can see a beautiful sidebar. For designing the sidebar, again I have to come back to the widget option. So here you can see the WooCommerce sidebar. Here actually I have to add all the items. First of all, let me come back to the menu option because I have to create a category menu for that. First of all, for creating the menu, again I have to click in this create a new menu option. After that I am giving the menu name as category menu. After that I have to click in the create menu option. From there let me come back here, click in the view all. Let me select all the main categories one by one, like perfume, watch, women's dress, etc. Click in the add to menu option. Once done, you have to click in the save menu option. Next, again I have to come back to the widget option. So here you can see the WooCommerce sidebar, click in this. After that I have to click in the plus option. Let me search for the heading, that is the heading, and my heading will be product category, and I have to make it H3. After that I have to click in the plus option. Let me search for the menu. So here you can see the navigation menu, click on that, and from here I have to choose category menu. After that again I have to click in the plus option. Let me search for the price. So here you can see the filter product by price, click on that. After that again I have to click in the plus option. Now here actually I have to search for the attribute. So here you can see the filter product by attribute, click on that. First of all I need the capacity, click in the done. After that it will load like that. Again I have to click in the plus option. Again I have to search for the attribute. Let me click in this filter product by attribute. After that I need the color, click in the done option again. Again I have to click in the plus option. Let me search for the attribute again. So again I have to click in the filter product by attribute. Now I have to select size. After that you have to click in the done option. Next you have to click in the update option. Once it updated, let me come back here. Now refresh the page once to check the sidebar is coming or not. So as you can see here, my sidebar is coming perfectly, and this toggle is also working perfectly. I am ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section. If you have any WordPress related project, then always you can contact with me by using this WhatsApp number or by using this email ID. If you really like this video, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.